You tell him, Gucci Mane. What's up, YouTube world? A very quick e-bike ride with the Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volt. We are at the beginning of a snowstorm here, and I wanted to get some nice shots in for you guys before we get slammed with a ton of snow. My plan was to ride out in the day and then again late at night, but unfortunately the snow amassed quickly and I was unable to ride out at night. However, that didn't stop me from taking it outside into the snow to make a quick video for you guys here to show a component that I added onto it. Gives it a real cool look, and I'm more visible at night, which is the most important thing of all. This will most likely be the last ride of this season until the snow melts away. Anyhow, you guys stick around. I have a really cool e-bike coming from overseas. It should arrive right on time for the next riding season. I hope you all are enjoying the holidays with your family and loved ones, and may everyone have a fabulous new year. Continue to like and subscribe. I'm always grateful for my subs. Stay well, stay safe. Ciao, friends.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Obsession, I will not stop, no I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason I'll run this nation.